Hi there, Year 3. It is Sophie here. I hope you all had lovely Easter holidays and welcome to our first Maths weekly video. So this week I'm going to be talking you through an isolation maths addition challenge. So we're just going to be recapping some of that column addition you've all been working hard on all year. Okay, so this challenge, you'll find it on our home learning work on the Lark Hall website. So it relates to that. And what you're going to need is a shopping receipt. So you can go find one that your family has bought with this week or last week, or if not, don't worry, we've got one here that Charlotte has that we can use and I'm going to use today because I've lost mine. Alright, so the first thing to do is we'll notice that on our receipt, can we see our numbers on our receipt? They are some very tricky numbers and we've got decimal points in there because when we're working with money, we might say £1.39. This might be a bit tricky for us to add up with as we've not learned how to add decimal numbers in Year 3 yet. So that's okay, we're going to make it really easy for ourselves and we're just going to convert them to pence and add in pence so we can practice our adding 3 digits. So I have taken the cost of the apples. So my apples are here. We see our apples. Gala apples. There they are, £2.72. So the apples cost £2.72. This is a very tricky number because it has the decimal point in the middle there. All we need to do is take away the decimal point. So you can do that now. Take it away. We are left with 272. I just need to remember that 272 is not £272. That's not how much my apples cost. Those would be very expensive apples. It is 272 pence. So we add the P on the end as I have done there. Really fantastic work. So you can pause the video now and you can go back and you can convert all your pounds to pence. Or if you want, you can do it at the end of the video. So just remember, you can put me on pause anytime, rewind, fast forward. It's up to you. But I'm going to move on now to do some addition. So I've decided that my challenge I'm going to do today is add up 2 bottom items on my shopping list, or in this case, Charlotte's shopping receipt. So go back over to my receipt. There we go, circled it. Let's look for the 2 bottom items. So have some salad, so you're being very healthy, and we've got some eggs. Oh, so maybe Charlotte's been making a nice omelette and eggs there. So there they are. So my salad cost, can you look on there? You might want to pause for a minute and tell someone or yourself in the room or a pet, what's the cost of the salad? Yeah, correct, 272 pence. So remember, we've converted to pence. And what are the cost of eggs in pence? £1.56. Well done, they are 156 pence. So the number sentence I am going to do is I'm going to do 272 plus 156. Now I'm going to ask you to pause it here and I want you to think about how you're going to set this out. And if you have maybe a pen and some paper with you, you could set it out as we've done in school. See if you can remember how we do this addition. So just pause it and think or do that for a minute for me. Okay, so, and this is what you should have. We have our column addition. So we have a look on the screen. Remember, we have our numbers set out. We have our ones over on the right. Then we have our tens column. Then we have our hundreds column. Down here we have our addition sign. And of course we should have a line under here where we'll write the answer when we add it up. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. I want you to pause it and have a think what the answer is. Which column do I add up first? Correct, it is the ones column. We always start with the right hand side adding from our ones. Always, always, always with our addition. So let's go. 2 plus 6, Let's do that in our heads. 2 plus 6. Maybe pause me again here. Correct. The answer is 8. So we're going to write 8 down. Now we move on to our tens column. And in our tens column, we are going to do 7 plus 5. Now you might want to pause me again here whilst you figure out 7 plus 5. Correct. The answer is 12. Now, can we remember how we write down 12? Because I can't write down 12 like this. I can't have it in one box. You can only have one digit in each box. So my 12 cannot go there. So what do I do? Maybe you could tell someone in your room you're with what we do. Okay, you can pause me there, or if you've had a think and you're ready to move on. We carry our 1 to the next column. So the next column will be our hundreds. So look, I've carried my 1 down there underneath my hundreds, and my 2 will stay in my tens. Now we go on to our last column, which is our hundreds. And we're going to add up 2 plus 1 really quickly, straight away, 3. But our answer is not 3 because we need to remember to add up the 1 we've carried. So we're going to do 2 plus 1 plus 1, which equals, of course, 4. Then we can read out our whole answer is 428. Let's not forget, it's not 428 bananas, it's not 428 pounds, it's 428 pence. And there we go, we have recapped our column addition. So now you can go away, get yourself a shopping receipt or use Charlotte's, and I want you to add up some different items, take a picture of it, upload it onto Seesaw, because me and Charlotte would love to have a look at what you've been doing at home. So thank you for listening, and I will be back next week with another video. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.